I want to send this message to all Ambazonians. Be you pastor, be you prophet, be you traditional doctor, be you IG, be you the egg of sea. Say after the independence of Ambazonia, if we not see your receipt for so say you be fund this war, you go understand the scripture for Bible where it talks say on the last day when you see Jesus Christ come. On that day, he go reward we according to what we will be doing.
Ayaba don send and say me can beg money. Ayaba don send and say me can beg people that me they contribute money. We don't tell una say the people in Southern Cameroon they get money. Yes. Ambazonians then get money. Then and Ambazonia they don't be that means they don't be that gullible or naive or stupid like before. Where when they can use una sweet grammar, they give una money. They give una money. When they go buy granite, buy stick there, you go kidnap their mommy and papa there. Go kidnap their uncle and auntie there for ground zero. They ask them ransom. When they catch their relative them, their brother and sister them, even some they are picking them. When they want to meet up, una say no, una don't know anything. But at the very una they can't talk how we they contribute money gang for the boy there. Say the boy they need money, the boy they need material. You don't simply on a problem they come out. You people are the cause of your problem. You are the cause of your problem. I want to ask this boy where he take tramadol and banga, he smoke this boy because if you hear the way the boy they talk, look the way they talk and really reason and out. You see and say that kind in a way they grow up for quarter. Now gram, sang no day me gram, something no day me gram. Something no day for your boy there. For daytime they beg, for night they show an hoha. Now so the boy is day for night that's what they do. So when this struggle start, this kind of boy they just enter inside the struggle, they seize the opportunity. Now why are they going to play with it today? I tell you now. Hear the thing the way they talk, the things the way they support them. Listen and fine. If you know they're under influence of something. Now in that show, I don't send a me come back. Don't send a me come back. Ask ye self say this so how much he contribute, how much he don't contribute them. Because before you want to ask people them, be they contribute money, you say will talk wait where you don't contribute them. He don't contribute how much, he contribute how much weekly, monthly, yearly, how much he contribute them. Because they be so fast. You can't tell me people they contribute money, but they say no, they contribute. Go ask them, say how much they contribute. Ask the boy, say how much he contribute. I don't care when I say the people that were Southern Cameroon, they get money. Yes, they get money. And their money, it will determine place where they go put them. And the group where they do good one, they go support that group. They go support the person. If you don't like when I change in our ways, then when I like when I no change. But we tell when I say when I no go force people them go free them. I the sending message for Joe Ayaba and he gang, he cartel, all he gang member them. And this boy where he take the smoke. I tell them say when I no go force people to free them. You never force people to free them. Never. It never ever happened for some place. Even when Moses, if he take the children of Israel out of Egypt, he did for wilderness. That will be reached for some position. It's a time for a hand. It became problem there. The beginning of Israel don't say this, so better Moses will leave them for Egypt. But Moses he retreat. He go for mountain. He ask God. He talk for God saying as the situation on this for hand. The people that no one believe again in He. Taking it all back. The people that are hungry. Wait till God be down. God send the manna from heaven. God be answer their prayer. God be try to give a solution. to make sure he appease the people, so that Moses will walk along with the people. Come for Ambazonia struggle. When I talk jazz, Moses no be ever force the people them to free them. Even Joshua, he no be ever force the people them to take them to reach promised land. When Moses began issues them for inside Egypt, even from Egypt, God be talk say, I will make the people they know say na me at the top. He say, Pharaoh, the magic, all the Egyptian magicians they come. When they put their stick for that, it don't snake. Moses make his own. His snake swallow their own. God show all kinds sign them. Say na him. All kinds sign them. Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh, go down to and tell Pharaoh, let my people go. Moses, God for heaven, no be force the people them, will liberate them. God did not force the Israelites to free them. He will walk along with them. For instance, Ambazonia struggle. So one of the Ayaba say, na he be leader. Who pull you leader for Ambazonia liberation struggle? Who pull you leader? When I be fair talk, I say he be leader for AGOC. Now he be leader for the war of liberation. Who pull you? When the first man on top people. Now why that way una be willing for work on top their body go boya. Una be willing for para all man before una reach boya. But I don't tell una say it's dead on arrival. I don't tell una who dey for the platform no, who dey for the social media no. I don't knock skin. Now so we tell moja. Wait till happen moja. He collect. I don't talk say Ambazonia will be free. Not on the terms of Ayaba. Ambazonia will be free, will be independent. Not on the terms of kidnappers. Not on the terms of ransom collectors. And people put it ground zero. Ambazonia will be free on the terms of the bike rider on the ground zero. Ambazonia will be free on the terms of prisoners of conscience. Ambazonia will be free on the terms of refugees. Ambazonia will be free on the terms of Mami Api. It will be free on the terms of baby mother. Ambazonia will be free on the terms for people the way they don't sacrifice their life. Not be on the terms of Ayaba and whosoever. Carry on a group and go down. Una not be sure how much they don't contribute. When they can't tell people they contribute. This struggle will see the light of the day. My name is Fabiano.